Alright, today's gonna be a big ass restock day, but we got some new stuff as well. So y'all know what it is, let's get it.
I don't think they ready.
Now I'm thinking these are... Damn, can I get my hands in it please? Yup, the clean BAPESTA 6s in the blue colorway. I have a full review on these bad boys, so if you want to, you can check that video out. Now, by the time this video is out, all these sold out items are going to be back on the site, so come check your boy out. But, you know, maybe after you watch this full video.
Please!
And what is this? Got one of the new drops already. The Skatesta number 5. Now this is just a follow-up of the spring collection of 2022. You know, the blue, purple, and orange. Here is that new green colorway. So just like last year, we have that leather and a gradient color design. You can especially see it on the toe box and both quarters. With PVC material in the BAPESTA, the highlight of the shoe. Now the major difference between this year's drop and last year's drop is the heel tab on these is just regular leather. Last year was patent leather. Personally for your boy, this colorway is kinda It does remind me of a Sprite can.
You want a Sprite?
And here's the red colorway. Got the same gradient color design, PVC material BAPESTA. If it was your boy, I think I would prefer this red colorway over the green. They did drop a black colorway as well, which I didn't cop. Personally, I think there's so many other clean Skatesta designs and colorways that you can cop. The PVC material is a good little hit though. Color camo tees. Got the white and navy colorway, the full color camo red, got some BAPESTA hats. What BAPESTA are these? Yes, the ABC Camo BAPESTAs. In my opinion, one of the cleanest drops in the entire BAPESTA new collection. Got the all white with the ABC Camo pink lace buckle, and there goes the ABC Camo pink insoles. Yeah, these bad boys is extra clean. These, definite cop. Yeah, and here's the ABC Camo Blue. There's the ABC Camo Blue insoles. All 3 ABC Camo colorways, all fire. Here they are, the big ones for today. The Color Block Shark BAPESTAs. Let's save these bad boys for last. I got quite a few boxes to go. Let me open these bad boys up, organize a bit, and I get back to y'all. Alright, there it is. All organized up, looking good. So we got the Shark BAPESTAs. We're gonna be looking at those here. Already showed y'all these BAPESTAs, but we got the restocks on the Marvel BAPESTAs. Got the restock on the Hulks, them clean ass Venoms, got them Thors, and Captain America. If you're new to the channel, I have done a review on these bad boys, so if you want to, you can check that video out. So if you've been with your boy, I couldn't get my hands on the Venoms before, so I may keep these, but that completes the entire collection. Now, if y'all know, there's supposed to be 2 more that's supposed to be dropping, but yeah, I'm not too sure about that. Let's see. Nice. Probably the cleanest in the entire well, hold on a second.
Now wait a goddamn minute.
I do really like the Captain Americas though. Yeah, Venom is number 2 for me. How about you guys? Alright. On to the Shark BAPESTAs. And there they are. The Color Block Shark BAPESTAs. Now in this pack you got 3 colorways. You got the black, orange, and the blue. All patent leather is that embossed half shark on the lateral side of the sneaker. And right over that, you got the BAPESTA. Embossed WGM on the heel counter. And on the medial side of the sneaker, you just got the star, no shark. And that goes for both sneakers. Bam! Full shark face, right there. A real clean head turner for sure.
God damn!
Now these aren't a new release. These are a re-release from the 2020 drop during the BAPESTA 20th anniversary. I would say out of all the Shark BAPESTAs that drop, and they don't drop a lot of Shark BAPESTAs, these would be the simplest colorways to rock. Now this orange colorway, I personally like, because it's not that bright orange, more on the toned down side, kind of like yellow or beigeish. I think it's a nice in-between if you want something with some pop, but not too much. And of course the colorway that matches everything, the black colorway. But you know, even with the black colorway, with that embossed half shark design, the simplest colorway got that punch.
Jesus Christ, that's Jason Bourne.
Well, there it is, guys, the Color Block Shark BAPESTAs. Which ones would you cop? And like always, all available on the site. So before we go, I wanted to kind of talk about this FaZe Clan stuff. I've been getting a lot of DMs asking for my thoughts. Of course I've heard of FaZe Clan, you know, super big esports organization, but personally, I'm not real big in that kind of gaming world. So this collab is geared towards more of those hardcore fans, somewhat similar to the Bape Razor collab. They did use one of the popular camos, the Color Camo Red. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I didn't buy any. I do know some people who really rock with it, and I know some people who thought it was,
What the fuck is this? This is garbage. It's beautiful.
But I'm kind of more in the middle. If I were to pick something, maybe the bag. You can always use a decent bag. Like I always say on this channel, if you like it, rock it. What y'all guys think? Well, there it is, guys. Hope y'all guys enjoyed the video. I do want to say, all new drop information, restock information will always hit IG first. So if you like, come follow your boy. And another thing, we are almost at 10K.
Apes together, strong.
I would definitely be doing a fire giveaway. As always, I appreciate y'all watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace!